Whoa, are you seeing this?
Yeah, this is so creepy.
Let's go find out.
I'm right behind you.
So that clip and the following AI clips are what we use to make the music video, The Woods of Secrets. And so these are just the best raw clips from that. Some of them we used, some of them we didn't use. The ones that we do use are edited, and there'll be music on top of that. So this is the raw sound from those, which is really hilarious. So this just kind of gives you an idea. At the very, very end, I'll put a little bit of the actual song in there, just so you get an idea. The song won't be released until August of this year, 2026. But anyway, just some more funny AI stuff. And just an additional note, in the actual music video itself, it was actual real footage. Most of the video is real footage from Madison and I going on a hike in these woods that really are scary, which is where the whole idea came from. So the majority of it is actually real footage, but these are all just AI clips that you're going to see.
Welcome to the scary woods.
Beware of the scary people. You have to get out of here. It's not safe. They're coming for us. We have to go now. What was that? We have to get out of here right now. Something's not right. I can feel it. We need to go now.
Double, toil and trouble, fire burn and cauldron bubble, a spell to curse a child.
I cast a spell on you. I can't believe what I'm seeing here in the forest. Look at these ferns. They're absolutely thriving. It's just incredible.
Let it creak, let it groan, let the night strip us to bone. Two small lights cutting through 1,000 eyes. Let it taunt, let it scream, we are sharper than the dream. Oh, you and I are the only curse to